Today I had a mission that I wanted to get to the farthest boat in the sea. But there was a big twist. I can't die or drown, but clearly, I have a vision that it will happen. First, I had to get out of the ocean to get to shore. I took 𝓲𝓭, but I was going to the other side of Xinjiang city to go to one boat that can take me safely to the farthest boat. Finally here. Now I have to go to the tip of the boat to glide to the farthest boat. And if you have a question about that orange-yellow boat, that's our boat we are trying to go to. I had multiple failed attempts trying to go there. I'll speed it up for you. Here's one of the first drowning I had in this video. I had no choice but to move because if I didn't, I would die anyway, so that counts as one drown. Rip my poor character. Okay, girly, we are back. Here is my second attempt. Freak the freak. I drowned again. 2 drowns. Back again, lol. Third attempt. So in my third attempt, I will be going to the highest mountain near me and glide off it to see if I get to the boat. This took me quite some time, and I also drowned here too. But I made it to the shore afterwards. 3 drowns. 4 drowns. This mountain took literally ages to climb. Finally got here. Now, for the moment of truth. OMG, finally we did it, guys. So much for watching, guys. Also, if you try attempting the things I did, there will be quests where you can earn more money and the little start money. Bye, love y'all, and good night morning.